Hey RVers, Gary Bunzer, the RV doctor again with another outstanding value-based benefit of the Hepvo sanitary waste valve. Simply stated, using a Hepvo instead of a standard P Trap at every fixture inside the RV eliminates all the messy maintenance tasks associated with a P Trap. Inherently, P Traps can be troublesome in RV applications. They need to be cleaned out periodically, and that alone can be a messy job. Yuck. They can also lose the water lock through the process of evaporation. Unless you're a full-time RVer, most P Traps are simply not used enough to keep the water level where it should be 100% of the time. A dried out trap is virtually an open pathway for holding tank odors to enter into the living spaces. Another point, P Traps require preventive winterizing procedures by adding RV antifreeze to the water in the trap. It's amazing how often this step is overlooked. With a Hepvo sanitary waste valve, there's never a fear of the water inside freezing since it's a waterless valve. There is no held water. Not so with the P Trap. Without the RV antifreeze, the water can freeze and cause the trap to crack. Now that's a mess I wouldn't want in my RV. Some RVers have experienced a siphoning effect that also contributes to losing the water seal in the common P Trap. Traveling in the mountains, for instance, causes a back and forth motion that can allow some of the standing water in the trap to seep into the holding tank, thereby losing that all-important water seal. I once diagnosed an interesting odor issue in an RV. This particular coach had the lavatory sink draining into the black water holding tank along with the toilet. Whenever the owner flushed the toilet, the water was sucked out of the P Trap and odors migrated up from the black water holding tank directly into the RV. With a Hepvo installed, this type of scenario could never happen. The drainage flow through the Hepvo valve is huge. High velocity will flow. If you ever do need to use a drain snake or power tool, always remove the Hepvo valve first. It comes out so easily. Basically, Hepvo sanitary waste valves in RV applications eliminate all the normal routine maintenance requirements of P Traps, leaving you more free time to enjoy that recreational investment rather than spending it on messy maintenance projects. I'm Gary Bunzer. Thanks for watching.